In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your work in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or just want to feel confident that your progress is safe, this quick guide will walk you through everything you need to know about saving. First, open the Figma website in your browser. Once the page loads, go ahead and open your design. This could be a file from your drafts, a team project, or a shared link you have access to. Give it a moment to fully load so all your layers and components are ready to edit. Here's the best part. Every time you edit in Figma, it automatically saves your changes. That means you don't have to constantly hit a save button after every move. As you work, Figma keeps your file up to date in the background. If you make a change and pause for a second, you'll notice a small status message in the top bar shift from something like saving to all changes saved. That indicator is your reassurance that your latest edits are safely stored. If your internet connection briefly drops, Figma will queue your changes and sync them as soon as the connection returns. To be safe, keep the tab open until you see that saved confirmation, especially after big edits. If you prefer a manual confirmation, you can also save from the menu. Move your cursor to the top left, click File, and then click Save. This is helpful if you want that extra peace of mind before closing your tab or switching tasks. It doesn't replace autosave, your changes are already being captured, but it's a nice way to intentionally lock in your current state. Think of it as a quick checkpoint you can trigger whenever you like. A few practical tips as you work. Make a habit of glancing at the save status before you close the file, especially after large edits or when collaborating with others. If you're working on a slower connection, give Figma an extra second to finish syncing. And if your browser seems stuck, a quick refresh after the status shows saved can help clear any visual hiccups without losing work. That's all there is to it. Open the Figma website, open your design, rely on automatic saving, and, if you like, click File and Save for that manual confirmation. With these simple habits, you can focus on designing, not worrying about whether your work is safe.